blocks of the animal kingdom. The human body assembles and utilizes about 50,000 different proteins to form organs, nerves, muscles, and flesh. Protein is essential for normal growth, for the formation of hormones, for the process of blood clotting, and for the formation of milk during lactation. Protein also helps regulate the acid-alkaline balance of tissues and blood. When protein is lacking in the diet, there is a tendency for the blood and tissues to become either too acid or too alkaline, depending on the acidity or alkalinity of the foods we eat. Improper acid-alkaline balance is often a problem in vegans and vegetarians, as plants, nuts, seeds, and most grains are incomplete proteins, meaning they are low in one or more essential amino acids, even when overall protein content is high, and the body must ingest all of the essential amino acids in order to use any of them. Most vegetables, beans, and other legumes are going to be low in methionine. Most grains are going to be low in lysine, threonine, and tryptophan, and most nuts and seeds are going to be low in lysine. If you are vegan or vegetarian, eating a combination of vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds is the best way to ensure you're getting all of the essential amino acids.